Alright, oops. When you don't move the mouse on Python, it has this power down mode, which no problem, kind of startled me there. But here we are. We're going to code in our solution for this exercise. Okay, so here we go. We're going to put in our counter value. We're going to initialize it with t equals 0. From there, we're going to create a label because we want our application to look pretty cool. And in this case, we're going to use label, and we're going to type in, if I can type here, distance and feet. Okay. Next, we're going to set up our loop with the while statement, and we have 7 items that we're going to track in our list. Therefore, we have 7 being our termination value. Then we do a print label, and now we're going to get the data for our little calculator, and we're setting up a list with the values that you see here. Okay, so there's our list, and now the print will do its thing. And right here, if we want to show square, like we want to take 2 square or 4 square, in this case we're using the variable t, we'll just go t times t. We'll see later on how by importing the math module we can actually use that little caret symbol, and we don't have to do the repetition here of typing in the variable separated by the times or multiplication sign. And we're going to wrap it up here. This is our counter, and our counter is going to keep track of the variables, and also it's going to read the data into that array, which in this case is k. So here we have it, and let's see the magic. Now we have an error, and notice the error is where the print k is. There should be a space between that. So what we're going to do, we're going to try an experiment here. We're going to see if we can actually, well, in this case we can't. So let's go ahead and put the script back, and let's get our solution. Okay, and that was a mistake on my part. But, you know, when you do Python and you're programming, things like this happen. And this is the learning. Okay, so, again, this is all important stuff that we're looking at here. So it's kind of a good thing that it did happen. Okay, almost there. Make sure that's right. And print, in this case, we'll have it set up like this. So now it knows that print k is not an instruction, but actual command statement. Okay, and then we'll finish up with this guy, hit the enter key twice, and then there's our solution. Okay, so again, a lot of power, and we used everything that we discussed today in terms of variables, constants, and also using for and while statements.